Alright guys, you just seen me lay the Hardie board down in the bathroom, mortared it down and screwed it. Thanks to my mom for this sweet tripod I'm using. It's helping out a lot, but I'm gonna clean up because we are now gonna lay the backer board in the dining area. We have all this to lay and this is where it's going. So I'm gonna clean the place up and then I will see you guys back on the tripod. Alrighty guys, I put a second coat on the bathroom, looks really good. I haven't cut in a while, so I will probably touch that up right there with the white. But other than that, pretty good line. This one, really good. I didn't bore you with the second coat because you watched me put on the first coat. What I was doing on the floor is I was taping these seams. I would first wet it, get some mortar on there, then lay the tape out, and then screed it over with a putty knife. So I taped all the seams. I added just a little more mortar to the tub in a couple places. I added a fresh piece of tape right there just to make sure all seams are taped. And the bathroom is honestly ready for tile, guys. So in here, I just wanted to start laying a little bit of the board. I still have some things to do because I don't want to start laying out where the cabinets are going to be with the Hardie board until I actually have the cabinets in front of me. So what I'll probably do tomorrow is lay as much of this board as possible. Probably get another 2-3 rows in to right here. That way cabinets come in and everything, the board will already be laid, because this is a lot of work having to go back over it and mud it and tape it, and 50 screws per board too. So yeah, imagine that, 50 screws in each one of these boards. So that right there can take some time, so I just want to get a jump on it. But I guess the next thing I'll probably be doing is starting to lay out tile for the bathroom, because we're gonna get that tiled in. I'm gonna take a lunch break, but before I go, I'm gonna shovel some snow outside because we got some bunch of snow here in Michigan. So I guess that's the life of a winter in Michigan. Well, it's the next day and the floor turned out beautifully. So far we've gotten the shower back wall, the window trimmed in and tiled in. And we've also got the bathroom floor tiled. Just real quickly, I was working on a few things today. I'm gonna have to hold off on finishing the tiling in the bathroom because tomorrow morning I'm having someone come in to refinish the hardwood floors throughout the whole house. So I've been working on getting stuff tidied up for that. I went ahead and threw another coat of flat on the ceiling. It looks like it's drying out pretty good. We'll see what the finished product look. I wasn't happy with that first 2 coats on. Something about the roller I used, it didn't finish the finish very well. So I just wanted to show you guys how you remove these clips. This was the leveling system I used to get all the tiles even, so there'd be no lippage from one tile to the other. So I think this is pretty cool on how you remove them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. They say to soak them in a bucket of water, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. Overall though, very happy with the way this turned out. I will give you guys a full tutorial on it. I will kind of voice over some of the clips that I made. So alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. You guys have a good Sunday.